So neurotechnology is a very new discipline, and I think that's what we're mostly focused on understanding, is both what the technology might do, but also what it introduces that might not be covered by the existing human rights guidance and instruments. I think the experts that we've engaged with at the Council of Europe Steering Committee have identified a number of new challenges, issues around what it is to have mental integrity, questions like is there a risk of neurodiscrimination, which is different from other forms of discrimination, and also what does it mean when some of the neurotechnologies may be used for criminal cases or for other involvement of the law. So these are questions that we're particularly focused on. I think there's a larger question, which I think is a much bigger societal question, about whether there is some form of enhancement that should be associated with neurotechnology. And if you can enhance people's brains in some fashion, does that give you a positive right or a negative right? Do people have the right to neuroenhancement? So these are some of the challenges that we are considering at the Council of Europe.